Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase. This is a 36 count foreign coin lot of mixed coins. So there's 36 coins in total. I paid approximately $35 for this. And when I was looking through the pictures, what really caught my eye were a lot of old Dominican Republic coins. A couple from the 1930s and one that's probably going to be have a pretty good silver content in it. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay. Well, we got some older coins, some vintage coins possibly. Okay, here's all of the coins, all 36 of them laid out, and we got some really nice specimens of some coins I did not already have in my collection. So I haven't gone through every value of every coin here, but so far we have over $50 worth of value on the ones I have checked. The Dominican Republic ones that I thought might have been silver turned out not to be silver, but we do have one coin in here that's partially silver. Okay, the first coin is a United Kingdom 1961 half crown. And I'll show you the other side. Picture of Queen Elizabeth II on it. The next coin is another United Kingdom coin. This is a 1 penny from 1898 with a picture of Queen Victoria on it. It's in pretty good condition, really. Next one is a penny from 1940. It has King George VI. United Kingdom 1963 penny. And it's in a really nice condition, has some toning there. This is a 1966 United Kingdom penny. It says it's uncirculated. Definitely has some toning. This is a United Kingdom 3 pence coin from 1941. This is a United Kingdom farthing from 1884. It's in really good condition. This is a half penny from 1941. Again, in really nice condition. This is a New Zealand 3 pence coin from 1934. It's in really nice condition. It is actually 50% silver. Next one is going to be a New Zealand 1963 3 pence in uncirculated condition. This is an Australia halfpenny from 1960. It says it's on uncirculated condition. Getting a lot of glare here from the plastic on the coin flip, but looks like it's in really good condition. This is going to be a British Caribbean Territories 25-cent piece from 1955. This is going to be another British Caribbean Territories 10-cent piece from 1965. As you can see the ship motif on it. And here we have the final British Caribbean Territories coin. This is going to be a 2-cent coin from 1955. in very good condition. This next one is going to be a Japan coin. It's going to be a 1 sen from 1939. This is a Czechoslovakian coin. It is a 20 Haliru from 1921. This is going to be a France 50 centimes from 1921. This is going to be another France 50 centimes coin from 1923. This is going to be a France 5 centimes from 1966. This is going to be a France 2 francs from 1923. This is going to be a Netherlands 25 cents coin from 1948. This is going to be an Egyptian coin. It is a 5 millions from 1924. This is going to be a Belgium 5 franc coin from 1948. This is going to be another 5 franc coin from Belgium from 1949. This is going to be a Portugal 1 escudo coin from 1928. This is another Portugal coin, a 2.5 escudos from 1963. This is going to be a Spain 25 centimos coin from 1937. It appears to be in an uncirculated condition. This is another Spanish coin. It's 25 pesetas from 1957. This is an Argentina 5 centavos coin from 1945. This is a Cayman Islands 25 cent from 1987. It has really nice quality to it. Maybe even almost uncirculated. This is also a Cayman Islands coin. It is a 5 cent coin from 1987, the same year. This is an Ecuador 1 Sucre coin from 1937. In almost uncirculated condition. This is a Dominican Republic 1 centavo from 1937. This is another Dominican Republic 1 centavo coin from 1971. This is another Dominican Republic coin. It's a 5 centavos, also from 1937. And the final coin in this collection is a Panama 5 centésimos from 1929. And this is in really nice condition. If we call that extra fine in that condition, it is actually worth $17.50 for this coin. Kind of hard to see what it looks like with the plastic there diffracting light. It's hard to see what it looks like with the plastic diffracting light there, but it's a very nice quality coin. So overall, this is a really good collection for the price I paid, for the approximately $35. And I'll put in the next screen there a total list of the coins, and I'll give you the total value of what this collection comes to. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.